Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this pattern for you. You can use this pattern in ladies cardigans, gents sweaters, children's sweaters, blankets, caps, shawls, jackets. From front side this pattern looks like this, and from back side it looks like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 2 stitches, and I have taken plus 2 stitches for border, and this is only 4 rows repeat pattern. So let us start now. For demonstration I have taken 12 stitches, multiple of 2 stitches for 5 times and 2 stitches for border. First we are going to knit border. For border, slip 1 stitch and then knit all stitches. And purl edge stitch. Here I have knitted simple border. You can knit any border as you wish. Let us start our first row now. Slip first edge stitch and then knit 1 stitch. From here our repeat pattern begins. Yarn over and slip 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Repeat second pattern. Yarn over, slip stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Again third repeat, yarn over, slip stitch and then knit 1 stitch, yarn over, slip 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Again yarn over, slip 1 stitch and then knit edge stitch. We have completed first row. Now let us start our second row. For second row, from wrong side, slip 1 stitch and then purl 2 stitches together, purl 1 stitch, second repeat, purl 2 stitches together and then purl 1, third repeat, purl 2 stitches together and purl 1, again purl 2 stitches together, purl 1, purl 2 stitches together and purl 1. Now last edge stitch, purl edge stitch. Now let us start our third row. Slip first stitch and then yarn over, and slip 1 stitch, knit 1, first repeat, second repeat, yarn over, slip 1 stitch and then knit 1, yarn over, slip stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Last knit 1 and purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our third row. Now fourth row, last row of the pattern, slip stitch and then purl 1, purl 2 stitches together, again purl 1, purl 2 stitches together, purl 1, purl 2 stitches together. Knit these 2 stitches till the end of the row. Purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our fourth row. Repeat these 4 rows over and over until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then like and share it. If you are watching my video for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you friends. Bye till then.